I'm Vielenttino. I come from Italy. My Chinese name is Lu Tianhua. My university is Sun Yat-sen University. I'm studying law here. I'm a PhD student. This is my third year. Chongqing was my first experience in China. I spent 1 year there, in which I studied Chinese law. The experience in Chongqing was the reason why I came back to China after moving back to Italy for a while, because I felt like China was really moving fast. And as a potential lawyer, I need a dynamic country to increase my skill, to learn things faster. One of them, of course, is the food culture. What I found out is that Guangzhou is very similar to my home country in a certain way. People pay a lot of attention on food, which Italy is very famous about. I also really like the approach people have to life, the idea of sharing time with people, drinking tea, having a small talk, and maybe take a walk outside. I think Guangzhou is a city that can offer basically everything. It's a city that many flavors that can actually accommodate everybody. There are different cities with different culture. You could go to Shenzhen, for example, if you need a very extremely dynamic young city. Shenzhen is the melting pot. You have Foshan. If you want to try the Shunde food, you just need to take a cab and drive half an hour and you're served. The infrastructure, it's unbelievable. To me, you can reach any of the cities real fast. You can go there and come back at night if you want. This means that you can have a contact with different people, and I think the Greater Bay Area project is a great idea. I want to teach. I thought that becoming a teacher, a professor of law, and teaching to students, it's a great value because you allow people to building on top of what you know. I will try to become a professor, maybe law in China.